Hi friends, today we found rice rolled giant eggs. Mystery eggs. Guys, look. The lion be just like Ryan.
And what's inside?
Oh no. Look.
So what's this one?
This is slime.
And mystery squishy.
Squishy and what is that? What it's called?
Putty.
Putty.
And a mystery plush. And a mystery figure with 1 of 5 possible. Only available here. Light and sound vehicle exclusive.
Yay! Open it. What?
So we're going to open one now, and then we're going to open one with Ethan. Yay!
What's inside of it?
Are you ready?
Ready.
For Ryan Toys Review Giant Mystery Egg. Wow!
Whoa!
Woo!
What's inside here?
Shiloh went straight for the thing that everyone else doesn't go to. I've seen everyone open that one last. Let's see what it is. Green. You got a green spaceship.
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow, that's so cute. Oh, what the?
It has a steering wheel.
I like this.
Wow.
Open this one first.
Okay, what's this one?
Oh no.
So show it to me first. You have, is that putty? Silver, purple, butter gold, midnight blue, and the rare is molten orange.
Oh, let's open it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, figurine. That's fishy. Oh, open this one.
Wait, let's see what's that. Ryan's World. What's inside? Ryan Ninja.
Watcha! Cool. Watcha! Watcha! That's so fun. I'll put it in here. Like this.
Go, Go, Shiloh.
Okay.
Here, there, I did it for you.
Okay.
You have Mystic Blue, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Or Sky Blue.
Look at this.
I think it's Sky Blue.
Open it.
Open this one? Okay.
Yeah. Hey, slimy, yucky. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Mr. Squishy.
Ah. Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, take that one out, Shiloh.
Well, I'll open this one.
What is this one? Oh, it's slimy.
I want to open it now.
Let me see the front.
Just like Ryan.
That is just like Ryan. Okay,
So
you
sad
can
I
open
can raise so long.
it. Here, you take the plastic off, and then you take the top off.
What are you doing? Oh, no.
What color did you get? Red?
Let me check.
Is it red or orange?
No, No, that's pink.
It's pink?
Yeah.
Oh, it is pink. Oh, wow.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pecans. Yuck. Whoa, my hair's so, look at this.
Slimy?
Yeah, look at this.
Do you like the texture?
Touch it.
Okay, I'm touching it.
So yucky. It feels weird.
So remember, you can't put it on the ground.
table.
No, you can't put it on the ground because it will get dirty. It has to stay on the table.
I want to touch it. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. That is so feel weird.
It's actually probably the best feeling slime I've felt, right?
Yeah. Why?
It's so slimy,
So slimy.
but it's not sticky.
We'll
What
throw
about
it down.
Put it on the table.
Okay. Oh, my hands get slimy. How wash my hands?
Okay, go wash your hands. You can go in the bathroom and wash them off.
It's not sink.
Look at how cute. So we got Rotten Rose. This is one set mystery figure. Collect them all.
Okay, guys, I'm
Ready
back.
Ryan, Diver Ryan, Cosmo
Guys,
Ryan.
I'm back. I'm back. Mom, I said I'm back. Oh, I'm gonna be Titan. I'm gonna be Titan.
You like the Titan?
Yeah. Just two.
So
Oh,
this
look.
is a mystery figure.
I'll get Turbo.
I know, right?
It's ultra rare.
He is the rare one, ultra rare. You're
Yeah,
right.
ultra rare Turbo. Where's that one?
That is
Yeah.
Daredevil Ryan.
Oh,
So there's two of
Daredevil.
those. You get two characters.
Oh, Pirate Ryan. Pirate Ryan.
Pirates.
I'm yours, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain. And a squishy.
It's fishy. Oh, you want to open those? I'll get with Titan. I'll open with Titan.
Here, let me help you.
Okay, with Titan.
No way. Oh, it's still the Kung Fu guy?
Ah, the full guy.
I thought it was Combo Panda. I was so excited.
No, it's not. Ah. Okay, guys, it's time to open the figures. I get ultra rare.
You want the ultra rare?
Yeah.
Squishy.
Okay, guys.
Okay, ready, Shiloh?
Maybe get ultra rare. Who is this? Gus! Gus, a gator! Gus, got a gator. I got Gus, got a gator.
Mm-hmm.
And a trophy.
A trophy? What's the trophy for?
Guys, can I open this one? What is this? Alien Lion.
Alien Ryan.
And
A space gun.
yeah, this gun.
So we've got... Oh, there's a glow in the dark.
Hello.
Cool. I don't even see the alien Ryan. Is that Robo Ryan?
Yeah, Robo Ryan, I think.
No, that's
I'll
not.
turn it off, okay?
What's this one? He's not even on the package. He must be on here. What, does he glow in the dark? Oh, you've got a checklist.
Wow. That is so cute. Hello. Hi guys again.
Wow, these guys are adorable.
Yeah, it's adorable.
So is he the green one? So it's this one?
Oh, it's not green, that's green feathers.
Yeah, his face is blue, but his outfit is green. There's also one with a red outfit.
And then also
Gus.
have a gun.
Oh my gosh, wow.
And a trophy.
How exciting. He comes with a trophy.
And a gun too. So cute.
So cute. Are you excited? Do you love it?
Yes, I'm so excited. Let's put this slime now. I like this.
You like this slime?
Wow. Oh, what a fun. Slimy. Oh, Mom, my finger. It's a blessed finger. Whoa. Well, look. Well, look. Whoa. Yucky.
Oh, alien.
My hand.
There's something here that you pull out. What is it? Now what? It lights up!
Whoa.
And you put your alien inside?
Yeah!
Wow!
Mom, you don't turn the lights off. Turn the lights off.
Oh, turn the lights off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So cute.
So cute. You're so cute.
Ready?
Ready? He's flying into outer space. Look, take him up to the planets.
Oh, no, it's not on yet.
Wow. He's flying through space.
Yeah, that's cute. Okay, Mom, put it back on, please.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, it bounces.
Oh, wow. Strong too.
Bouncy.
I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna get a bowl. Oh, not light up.
I'm so excited that you got Gus, Shiloh.
Gus is gonna get it.
And you can put this guy on your backpack
Yeah, my backpack.
for
over
school.
Here.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, over here.
Oh, you're gonna put it on your Harry Potter backpack?
Yeah,
Okay. We haven't opened this yet. This was supposed to be our next one, but then Ryan came out. And now we have to get all the Ryan toys.
Oh. What's this push? Oh, wow, look inside.
Squishy.
Ooh, it's squishy. Okay, I'll open Harry Potter. So. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Bye, Ryan. See you later.
Bye.
Say bye, Ryan.
Bye, Ryan. Mr. Ryan. Mr. Ryan. Ah! Okay, so open this one now.
Like and subscribe to our channel so you can watch SCI Toys Boys every time they're updated.